Okay, go ahead and take your plastic trim tool. Just gotta work your way around. There we go, that'll pop off. Go ahead and slide that forward. And here on the back of the climate control, there's 2 clips that you need to unplug. So simply on the back of the climate control, just push downward. That'll slide out of there. Same with this one, push down, wiggle that out of there. And here on the radio, grab your Phillips screwdriver, remove the 4 screws, 1 in each corner. There's 2 screws here in the middle. Go ahead and slide the radio forward, unplug the antenna, just pull on it. Here on the back of the radio, that's how the antenna is supposed to come out. Sometimes you pull on it and the outer piece comes off, and that's bad. That's not correct, so you want to grab hold of it by this black piece here and slide the entire antenna outward. And if you flip the radio over, there's just 1 clip on this one. So just push down on the tab and slide that out of there. There you have it. And there's your part number information if you need it.